Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to create one part where we are going to see how to use vertex chamfer. Let's start. So first we'll take a sketch command. Here I'm going to select right plane because I'm going to create this part from the side view. So I'll create a line, a vertical line, then a horizontal line, a little tapered, one more horizontal line, and we'll take an inference line. The blue line is called inference line. By taking a reference of origin, we'll create a line here and we'll specify the dimensions. I want to make this line and this line to be equal distance, so we'll select both lines and we'll apply the relation between them to be equal. Now we'll specify the distances. This distance of the line is 35 and OK. Now we'll specify the distance of this line, that will be 12. Okay. Now we'll specify this distance here to here, that's 15. Now we'll specify this distance of the line is 50. Once we define our sketch, we'll exit from it. Now we'll select the sketch and we'll go to features and extrude. So total depth that I have to take in one direction line, that is 40, and OK. Now we are going to apply a vertex chamfer at this corner. To remove this corner, so I'll go to the option chamfer, and here we'll take the tool vertex chamfer. So we'll specify the vertex where we want to apply this vertex chamfer, and we'll specify the distance in all three directions. So here we'll see that the callouts where it's going, it's telling this pointer for which edges we are defining distance. So this side I want to take total distance to be 12, and this one I want to take the total distance to be 34, and this is total 15. Now we can do OK. This is how we have completed this part. Let's see all the four views of this part. So this we can see a front, like you can also see in that hidden view. So we can understand the views by clicking. We can change the view types, and this is a trimetric view. Now let's convert this model into again a single view by using single view option and make it normal into shaded with edges. Now if you want to give any appearance, we'll go to the appearance option. From here we can take some metal appearance. Let me take polished silver and do OK. So this is how we have completed this part.